Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, this is our 5 days of Halloween nails collab with Tammy and Vicky. There will be a playlist link down below. So today's theme is Frankenstein. So I've never done a Frankenstein set before, so we will see what I come up with. These are the colours I'm going to be using today, so I decided to do like really bright luminous colours, so green and orange. I'm going to do some stamping as well. So I will stick some music on, and if I need to come back I will. If not, I'll come back at the end, and yeah, we will see what we created. Okay, see you on the other side. Bye. So this is my finished design. Now, I really had no idea what I was going to do for this one. This is my first ever Frankenstein set. So, yeah, I really didn't know what I was doing. So, I'm just going to wait for that to finish. Because I added something which you didn't see on camera. Because I thought, no, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to add it. But not actually tell you that I've added it until now. So, this is the design here. So, let me just turn the light off. And 3 nails are glow in the dark. What do you think about that? That is a very cool, and you can really see all the detail in that. Really, really cool. I really like that. I really do. Camera's freaking out now. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below on how this turned out. I think it's really, really pretty. Love this glitter. Oh, it's gorgeous. So yeah, there you have it, my first ever Frankenstein set. And thank you, Tammy, for that stamping plate. I love it. It was a present from Tammy a while ago, and I didn't use it. And yeah, I thought, Frankenstein, yes, I'm going to use that plate. So yeah, that's what this looks like. And that top coat is a You Are Sugar luminous top coat. What I did was, after I did the colour, I put one coat of this, and then I did the design and everything over the top, because it works better if it's underneath, because obviously the stamping, rather than on top. So yeah, so because I did the stamping, I used it underneath instead of on top of it, and then just did whatever, and then yeah, normal top coated over the top. Well, that's enough of my ramblings today. Please check out Tammy and Vicky's videos, and yeah, check out the playlist. If you're not subscribed to us, please consider subscribing, and yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next video tomorrow. Wow, yeah, it's our last day tomorrow, so yeah, hopefully you'll join us tomorrow. What have we got planned for tomorrow? Well, anyway, I will post pictures at the end, and I will post Tammy and Vicky's designs as well. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching, and thank you if you've watched all of them so far. And yeah, hopefully I will see you tomorrow. Okay, take care. Bye.